Bogie Hearth Furnace. WinTherm Bogie Hearth furnaces have revolutionized the heat treatment process in the manufacturing industry, offering versatility, efficiency, and reliability. Its ability to handle large workloads and ensure uniform heating makes it the preferred choice for a wide range of applications. WinTherm Bogie Hearth Furnace is a type of industrial heat treatment furnace. Typical uses for this style furnace are stress relieving, annealing, normalizing, and tempering for any kind of metal such as steel, copper, aluminum. It takes its name from a moving platform called a bogie, which makes loading and unloading workpieces easier. The maximum temperature of the WinTherm Bogie Hearth is 1700 degrees Celsius. Part of Bogie Hearth. 1. Heating element, heat resistance element, HRE, or SiC rod heater or MOSI 2 rod heater. 2. Trolley. Manual trolley. An automatic trolley. 3. Control panel. 4. Door. 2 types of door. Lift-up door. And swing door. For heat treatment process purposes, different temperature zone is able to set inside the furnace. Bogie Hearth Furnace is a versatile furnace with endurance and strong local sales support in your Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand.